Hi, Eric here from PAC to talk to you about our RadioPRO 4 integrated installation kit for Chevy Malibu and Pontiac G6. The RPK4-GM2301 works in 2004 to 2008 Malibu and G6. It allows you to replace your factory radio and install an aftermarket navigation radio without losing any of your factory features. We're going to retain steering wheel controls and even the driver information center in those vehicles. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit that allows you to do that. First is the dash kit. We've measured and made sure this fits the vehicle perfectly and fits a double DIN radio right where your factory radio was. All the hardware is included to mount your double DIN radio, or if you're installing a single DIN, we include a pocket for that installation as well. Behind the scenes is the RadioPRO module that does all the work. We've designed a plug-and-play harness that plugs into the factory wiring so the wiring is not cut. It also plugs into your aftermarket radio. That's how we retain your steering wheel controls. Now these vehicles also feature what's called the driver information center. It's an important piece of hardware in the display of the dash that shows you oil life expectancy and important warning messages, as well as the chimes that are played through the vehicle. We replicate the chimes with our module, and we show you the messages on our LCD display and controller. This beautiful display will show you the messages here, and you control it with the knob and click the button to make your selection. So this way you're not losing control or any of the functions while you're upgrading your factory radio to an aftermarket radio. This kit is fully compatible with the Pontiac G6 and Chevy Malibu. For more information, visit our website.